Suddenly piece yourself back together now. What's your vision? I can't believe the night lay waste all week.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox a special product from banggood.com, that is Coolmoon 120mm 6-piece PC cabinet fan with fully RGB and IR remote with it. So let's get started. Packet looks pretty decent. This is not a sponsored video. Oh, here's some information. It's written 1200 RPM, 10% with 30,000 hours running time, 6-pin headers and 4-pin headers. Box look pretty decent. No bubble wrap, nothing. So let's start. Hope for the best. Oh, okay. Here's some screw. There's the RGB fan controller with 10 fan controller with it. Okay, with 3mm tape. RGB IR remote. Okay, 6-piece fan. That's the thing. This is a power connector from SMPS. Build quality looks decent. Now see how it looks for RGB. Rubber grommet. It's pretty silent and decent fan looking wise. I think these are the PWR fan. It's not the normal fan actually. Look decent. So that's it. Remote looks nice with tactile button on it. I don't know why this happened, but Coolmoon. So let's check how it performs. I will definitely show you how it runs. That's it for now. I will see you in the next video. Please do subscribe, like and share. If you want to buy this product, link in the description box below to support the channel. Thank you.